Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I am going to recite you a poem about Lac Caninum. But before that, some prerequisite knowledge is must. So let's gather it here. Lac Caninum is made by potentizing bitch's milk. It is a deep-acting remedy which plays an important role in complaints following maltreated diphtheria. It belongs to the psychotic miasm. It has great action on nervous system, presenting as oversensitivity and general hyperesthesia of skin. The main keynote is that the affections change their sides, left to right and also back to the left at original site. Rheumatic pains, diphtheria, every complaint show the pattern of changing sides. The personality of the patient resembles with that of a dog. The survival depends on keeping the master happy, always conscious about his or her performance. Lac Caninum patients are very passionate and lascivious and sometimes become aggressive and defensive, but they still have a feeling of inferiority and low self-worth. Dr. Sankaran explains Lac Caninum as a dark-skinned girl in Indian family whose sisters are fair and everybody compares her skin with them. And she tries hard to get fair but fails and soon begins to hate herself. While talking about Lac Caninum, one must not forget to mention what Dr. Kent says about milk remedies. He says, all the milk remedies must be potentized. They are our excellent remedies. They are animal products and foods of early animal life, and therefore corresponds to the beginning of our innermost physical nature. If someone thinks that milk is food for young and not medicine, then let the one who has been sick from milk take it in potentized form and report the results. Let's get started with the poem. Low vitiated, non-feverish type sickness, sinking spells every morning, great prostration and weakness. Very forgetful, absent-minded, makes purchases and walks away without them. Attacks of rage, cursing and swearing at slightest provocation, has intense ugliness. Vertigo while walking, feels as if she is floating in mid-air, or when lying, feels as if she is not on her bed. An important keynote is complaints changing the sides, erratic pains starting from side, going to the other and coming back to the original site. Anisae and corners of mouth cracked, everything seems very dark, visions of snake and the rage comes in attacks. Shiny glazed, pearly white appearance of pseudomembrane in diphtheria. In mothers, it helps to dry up the milk and treat the galactoria. Worse in morning of one day and evening of the next. Sciatica aggravated by first move and rest. Breasts swollen and painful before menses. Sore throat beginning and ending with menses. Mastitis aggravated by least jar. Must hold her breast while on stairs. Thinks her disease is incurable. Always stays in great despair. Discharge of flatus through her vaginal opening. At epigastrium, she feels a little sensation of sinking. The main theme that runs behind a Lac Caninum patient is dominance. The larger one dominates the smaller one. Lac Caninum is therapeutically indicated in vaccinosis, varicosis of breast, diphtheria, ichthyosis, ranula, rheumatism, sciatica, spinal irritation, syphilis, gonorrhea, and uterine affections. Thank you guys, keep supporting and do check the link of other videos in the description box.